Spring is finally here, bringing sunshine, blossoms, and fresh air. But for many people, hay fever turns this beautiful season into weeks of itchy eyes, runny noses, and sleepless nights. The truth is, while we can't stop the flowers from blooming, we can make our homes a safe place where pollen doesn't take over. Welcome to our channel Healthy World, where we share practical and eco-friendly tips for a healthier lifestyle. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends who might need these tips too. One of the best ways to keep pollen outside is to leave your shoes, coats, and bags by the door. They carry most of the particles into your home without you even realizing it. Vacuuming regularly with a HEPA filter hoover also makes a huge difference, as it captures allergens that normal vacuums push back into the air. When dusting, always use a damp microfiber cloth. It traps dust and pollen instead of spreading it around. Wash curtains, blankets, and cushion covers more often during spring, and change your bed sheets weekly for a cleaner sleep. Air your rooms at the right time, early morning or late evening, when pollen levels are lower. If you have an air purifier with a true HEPA filter, use it in your bedroom to reduce allergens while you rest. Keep humidity under control too, since mold spores can make hay fever worse. A small dehumidifier or simply wiping away condensation helps a lot. And if you have pets, give them a quick wipe down after walks and wash their bedding regularly. They unknowingly carry pollen inside as well. Allergy-proofing your home isn't about perfection. It's about creating small habits that help you breathe easier, feel better, and truly enjoy the season. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy World for more eco-friendly health and lifestyle tips.